what we have here, we have two door handles from Volkswagen Golf MK2. See, this one has good travel, solid movements there, yeah, but has bad lock. And this one has a good lock, but the handle itself is bad. Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to swap them locks, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So what I need for it, a Phillips screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and the key, but eventually I don't have the key for this lock. So what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to put the key inside, yeah, but I don't have one for this handle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unscrew this Phillips screw. That's the first thing. There is a spring, so be careful here. Yeah, there is a spring, so eye protection is needed. Okay. Just like that. And you see the spring here. Look. There's the spring. Yeah. Going to remove it. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. Then I will show you how to put it back in a minute. So we do not have the key inside, but I can just press this in, just slides out. Yeah. And be careful here, if you even don't have the key, so be careful, because these metal parts can go out. Yeah, like that, just like that. You see, because they are moving here. Yeah, look. Yeah, and they just can go out. See, so it's good to have key inside. So that's the one lock. That's the bad lock. So I'm going to remove lock from this handle and to put a new lock here. Yeah, remove this plastics. I'll show you how it works. Yeah, is the handle. See on the car. You can see here the key is in. Locked, unlocked. Okay. So the key is in. Phillips screwdriver. Unscrew the screw. Okay. There is a spring. Remember. So be careful. Watch your eyes. Okay, you see here. I'm holding this finger here. Okay. Remove the spring. And that's the lock. Yeah. See? Holding it. Yeah. Okay, so how to put it back? So inside we have some channels there, so make sure it sits all the way. Yeah, like that. See, like that. Okay. Yeah. What next? Next is the spring. Like this. Yeah, watch me. just like that. Yeah. And what I'm going to do here, I'll just show you. Yeah. So I'm holding the key, and I have another finger right here. And what I'm going to do with a flat screwdriver, see this thing, I have to get this part of the spring behind here. Yeah. So what I'm going to do, look. Yeah. Make sure you hold the key. The lock is all the way in. Just watch me. And we go behind. Yeah, a little bit patient. Here is needed. Yeah, so let's again. Come on. Just like that. Yeah, we have it. Yeah, that's how it looks. Okay, now this part will slide in the middle, just like that. Yeah, see that? I don't know which angle will be better for you. Yeah, just like that. The screw, of course. Magnetic here. Come on. Okay. Yeah. Just like that. See that? Okay. Again, handle sits in the like this. So we have locked, unlocked. Yeah, now we can take out the key. See? Easy peasy.